it's Tanya with Red Cardinal Crafts, and I'm finally done with my 5D diamond painting kit by Victoria's Moon. This was so cool. It's very relaxing to work on, and when it's done, it's so bendy and shiny. It's really cool. This is how I kept all the little drills. I had the square drills for mine, and I kept them in their little baggies just in numerical order. It was just easier to keep track of. One point I want to make is as you pour your drills into the tray, I suggest leaving that bag out while you have the drills sitting here, because what will happen is if you have to leave your project for a minute and come back, I guarantee if you have a mind like I do, you'll forget very easily and you won't remember which color you're working on. So I've always left the bag sitting next to me away from the other ones, because for example this one here, let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. These are 3 different colors, but you can see that they look very much the same. You can get mixed up very easily. But when you put the colors together, it creates this nice variegated design. The other tip I have is after you're done, just kind of go along with your hand, and you can feel if any of these are raised up a little bit and just give them an extra little punch and push them down. There's a few of them that I can feel. Some of them it might just be the drill itself. Just the way they were cut, they might just be up a little bit. But yeah, the other thing, this is how much wax I was given to use in the little tool here, and you can see that's all I ended up using. So the tweezers come in handy. I've used these to pick up a drill that I've placed down by mistake. I've also used them if sometimes when you're poking this, some of the wax will sort of ooze out because you're just kind of poking it into the wax like this. I just used an up and down kind of movement to poke into the wax. And if you go to use a drill, some of the wax will sort of stick to the drill and ooze out a little bit. So the tweezers do come in handy. The only thing I found when I was done my design is that it seems a little off. Like there's not some white coming down here. But I think the frame that I'm going to put it in, I can scooch it over a little bit and you won't see kind of this side of it. But it turned out really cool. I was a little concerned at the beginning that you weren't going to be able to tell what it is. It's like this really cool lotus flower. Here's the design over here. But yeah, it turned out really neat. I'm really happy with it. They did send me another kit, and I'll show you what that one is like. This is it here. And they sent me another one of these drill applicators. So this one, when I ordered it, I actually ordered a bigger one. So this is, this one was 30 by 30 centimeters. This one is 50 by 50. Oh my God, I'm never gonna get this thing. I'm never gonna get this thing done. Here it is here, 50 by 50. These are all my drills, and let's just open this up. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is a lot of drills. Oh my God, I'm gonna be here forever. So they do send you another one of these applicators, and inside the bag here, I can see, let's just dump all these out. I can see that they've sent me another tray, another set of tweezers, more wax, and another applicator, so that's great. Oh my gosh, these colors are really cool. Oh man, look at the amount of drills. Oh, what have I got myself into? Okay, let me just tuck this one away for a minute, and I want you to see this other one. This one, they give you the extra little piece of paper with the guide for what the colors are. Here it is here. This is going to be so cool. I don't want to peel it totally off. Oh, there's where all the white drills are going to be. But this is a round design. Oh, this is going to be so cool. Okay, I will try to find a picture to insert because I do not want to take the sticky off this thing. Oh my gosh, this is going to take me a while. And let me just check over here. Your thing is so sticky. Yeah, it goes all the way over to the edge. This is actually an astrological design, which I think is going to be so fun, and I'll have to get a bigger frame for this. I might be able, I wonder if I can use the frame that I have that I'm going to put this one in with the mat, but then maybe just remove the mat and use this one. I'm sure that's what I was thinking when I ordered this size, and I'm excited about all the different colors because this one was very whites and grays and blues, and this one you can see is going to just be a complete rainbow of colors. Oh man, this is going to be so fun. So I want to thank Victoria's Moon again for sending me this design, and I will get to work on this new one. But yeah, it's a really fun kit. I'd say even, you know, older elementary age kids could do these. They just have to follow the pattern. It's like really cool, like cross stitch basically, because it's all little squares. And you can get round drills or the square drills. I prefer the square because the pattern itself is all little squares. I'll show you on this one here. You can see that it's all little squares. So I just wanted the square to be totally filled up with the square drill. So, but I'm thinking the whole thing's going to turn out really cool no matter what kind of drills you use. So there you go, very shiny and cool. I'd like to frame this, and yeah. So thanks again. Whoops, got tape on it. Thanks again for sending me this, and I will get started on the new one. So check them out. It's Victoria's Moon. I will put a link to their site down below, and yeah, it's a really cool craft. It's really fun and very, very addictive. Man, that is a lot of drills. Okay, I will be back with an update at some point to show you how I'm making out with my new pattern. But until then, I hope you guys are good, and I'll be back with some more videos soon. All right, take care, guys. See ya.